What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, or if the title enticed you to click on one of my videos for the first time, welcome to the channel. So I started this channel on January 5th, and to be completely honest, I did have a hunch that it would be successful. This early? No, definitely not. But I knew because of the access that Timms Harley Davidson allows me to these motorcycles, and the new models were just about to come out. They had been pushed back. Normally they come out in August. Now they were coming out in January because of all the things that happened in 2020. I knew there would be some hype around the new models. My access to them, Tim's being good to me and letting me ride those bikes, I knew I could kind of show those bikes in a way that a lot of people may be interested in. So I did have a hunch that it would be successful. However, today I had my fourth video hit 100,000 views, which I think is phenomenal. I definitely didn't think we would have any videos hit 100,000 views on our first year at least, much less we just had 4 hit it. So I wanted to thank you guys, and that also caused me to kind of go down a rabbit hole and start looking at my analytics. I think we're just shy of 1.5 million total views on this channel since January 5th. And at the time of recording this, we're at 8,136 subscribers, which I definitely didn't see happening. So I wanted to do something for you guys as a thank you, a token of my appreciation, and the channel continues to grow at a super wild pace. So jumping into things, I decided a giveaway would be a really good way to give back to you guys. So the first thing I did was reach out to First Manufacturing. Their ad plays at the beginning of all my videos. I built it into my intro. They're an awesome group of people. Their products are phenomenal, and they've been really, really good to me since day one. So I reached out to them, kind of told them what I wanted to do, and they immediately said yes. We've just finalized all the details. I'll give you guys that information in a moment. I also talked to the people here at Timms and said, hey, thank you guys for letting me do my content here. I'm thinking about doing some kind of giveaway, and they also have stepped up and they're gonna help me out with this giveaway as well. And then for some of the stuff, I'm gonna go into my own pocket, which I definitely don't mind doing for you guys. It's greatly appreciated. The amount of engagement, the comments, the likes, the subscribes, the shares. I really can't thank you guys enough. So let me give you the details on how this giveaway is gonna work. This is a 10,000 subscriber giveaway, meaning once we hit 10,000 is when the items will be given away. To be entered, I wanted to make it as easy as I could. So all you have to do is be subscribed to the channel. I'll definitely check. So make sure you're subscribed, like this video, the one that you're watching right now, and leave a comment. I genuinely don't care what it is. If you guys want to tell me what bike you're riding, what you've done to it, your favorite video on the channel, you want to tell me your dog's name, I genuinely don't care. Get creative, make it fun, but just leave some kind of comment on this video. Now, the part that most of you clicked on this to see, what is it that I'm going to be giving away? Item number 1 will be a vest from First Manufacturing. This is the first place prize. Now, it doesn't have to be this particular vest. They have given me the freedom to allow you guys to pick any vest that they have in stock, meaning you can't use that to build a custom vest, which is something they do offer. So any vest that's in stock, I'll put you in touch with those guys and they'll send you over any of the vests that you guys are interested in. You get to pick one, whatever you want, as long as it's in stock, it's good to go. This is the one I ride in. I like it the most. However, they do have a ton of options on there. I'll put the link to their website in the description so you can go ahead and kind of be brainstorming, if you win, which vest you would pick. Second place will be the Simpson Speed Bandit model helmet. So the Simpsons are super, super popular within the Harley Davidson crowd. I've worn one myself. I like these helmets a lot. There's a reason so many people wear them. They look good, they function great. Timms Harley Davidson stepped up and they're gonna help me give one of these away. So you will be able to pick your size and any color that these come in that are in stock. Now the third place prize, I chose these two items just because they're something I use on every single ride that I do. I'm not affiliated with either of these companies, don't know anyone at any of the companies. I buy their products just like you guys would, but I am a big fan. So the first part of the third place giveaway will be Fasthouse gloves. These are my personal gloves that I ride in. I've used their stuff a lot, riding mountain bikes, riding motocross. To me, they're some of the best, well-made, most comfortable gloves out there. So what I'll do is I'll let you go on their website. You let me know what style and what size you need, and as long as they have it in stock, I'll have it sent straight over to you. The second piece of that will be one of these Ram mounts. Now, I chose this mount after using it on a friend's bike. He already had it on there. I put my phone in it. It didn't move. It didn't shake. I really, really like this thing. So I ended up buying my own because, as you guys know, I'm constantly jumping on different motorcycles. This thing is super easy to install. You just find somewhere on the handlebar that you like, you clamp it down, you move it in any position that you want. I have the iPhone 11 Pro Max. It fits in there fine, no trouble, no issues. Could not say enough good things about this thing. So that will be prize number 2 for the third place winner. As far as choosing the winners, here's how I've decided to do it. I talked to some people, got some opinions, and one thing I knew is I wanted it to be fair. So what we're gonna do is, as you guys leave comments, I'm going to put your YouTube username down in a spreadsheet. Once we hit 10,000, I'll put all the names in one of the random generators. I'll do a YouTube live video. To me, that's just the most fair way we can do it, and let it pick winner 3 first. So we're gonna give away third prize first, second prize second, and then the first prize will be drawn last. That's it, guys. Hopefully all this information was super clear. I'll probably put it in the description in text format, just so if you have any questions, you can go back and read it. That way it's also there in case we need any clarification later on down the road. I really, really want to thank First Manufacturing for stepping up big and allowing me to give one of these away. That's awesome of them. I want to thank Timms Harley Davidson not only for stepping up and helping with the helmet, but also allowing me to do this channel. Without them, it literally wouldn't be possible. So thanks to them, and thanks to you guys for making the channel what it is. I'm really, really excited for the years to come, just based on what we've already done in such a short time. I can't wait to see what this channel is going to turn into. Thank you guys for watching this. Thank you to all of those that are going to participate in the contest. I wish everybody could win. Unfortunately, you can't, but as the channel continues to grow, I'll continue to do these. We'll try to make the prizes bigger and better each time. Thanks again for all the support.